Don't change the station, I've been impatiently waiting, pacing. Welcome to the danger zone. There's a war going on outside and my people gotta paint their faces on. Do what I gotta do, and what I gotta do is work and flip a dollar. Ain't got no trophies, but I got a shelf of empty liquor bottles. Not an alcoholic, but alcoholic can ease the pain. Drinking all my problems away, but still praying in Jesus' name. Try to turn our voices up, and the government tones us down. Now the gas is going up, and the hood is going down. So the hood is coming for you. In the streets is hungry goon. Coming to a neighborhood near you. Today or someday soon. Better watch your back, watch your front, and watch your side to side. Better grab your gat like that flow. The streets gon' ride tonight. And I'm just gon' ride it out to my expiration date. Cause I go hard in the paint, they softer than paper plates. Make way for the revolution. And yes, you should be scared. Cause one way or another, my people will be heard.
I'ma show you what a soldier see. Embassy diplomacy. Sing infantry, shooting at the Cobra fleet. Deploy shots similar to airbags. Whereas this hairpin, zigger split a hair in half. Body bags, fishy like herring. What I'm airing, terror chair in half. Watch it half baked at the cabin by the lake. See the blue and white plate, see the wood on the panel. Or maybe cherry oak, chili oak, flannel coat. Warfare never fair, therefore I need finer things like grenades, tanks, a couple fighter planes. I'm decorated in metals, stripes like a zebra. And by the way you rapping's against, I don't like you neither. I mean either, proper grammar, pop a cameraman on that rap DVD propaganda, yeah, Willie the Kid. I ain't one for the shenanigans. Chicken strike a pose, leave you froze like a mannequin.
The economy got to thinking the worst to make paper. Cause somebody get accommodating, thinking they know what they slave labor. That's when you get thinking about. No, you gotta come into you. Just wanna throw a ski mask on, run up in your house and wanna do dumb shit till you're rolling the dice. Wanna be struggling, trying to make it through the crisis. It might just make them wanna act up a little bit depending on the new gas prices. All this year, what that we got going on, indeed, it needs to cease. How the hell is that ever gonna happen when the value of the dollar?
Hit this motherfucker. Hit that shit. Hit that bitch. It's 420, y'all. It's 420. We got love. At night I can't sleep. I toss and turn. Chronic sticks in the door. Visions of bonds being burned. D-Lo just called me a stoner. I'm paranoid smoker with my finger on my boga. Give a puff of stress, ain't living right. But I ain't going out without my pipe. See, every time I pull a load, I start sweating. Smoke starts coming out my nose. Somebody slanging some sass, but I don't know who it is, so I'm watching my back. It's a cop and he's deep undercover. When I talk, I don't see the motherfuckers. Y'all a caddy like I own. I sack a fruit in a bone like my own. Some might say, take a chill, D. But fuck that shit, there's a pig trying to diss me. I popped in that rip of my endo. Every 20 seconds I be smoking another bowl. Investigating joint for traps. Checking my herbs, smoke my grams. I'm staring at my girl on the corner. It's fucked up when my mind's playing tricks on her. My mind's playing tricks on her.
I got a big afro, I drive old cars, ain't nobody go like me. It's like I'm a movie star, but late at night, something ain't right. Somebody's coming in and they're taking all my grow lights. Is it that dude trying to steal all my crops? Or could it be the one I sold the hydroponic rocks? Or is it the one claiming he had the power? Tried to grow herb, but it was hemp, pure my flower. Reach under my seat, got the poppin' for these circles, ain't no use of me lying. They were scared than a motherfucker. Transplant complete, and I told them all 65 days and this shit'll be done with. Ounce nugs, just like I figured. Cannabis Cup Kings blend is the winner. And what I saw make your ass start giggling. 3 rip, crippled, and stony senior citizens. I live by the blood. I take my clones everywhere I go because I'm paranoid. I keep looking over my shoulder, keeping around corners. My mind is playing tricks on me. My mind is playing
Matt, you can leave. This is why people don't like you. Take things too far.
I was just playing around.
No, you weren't. You're being a fucking faggot.